You're not just watching this by chance, you're being selected for healing at this very moment. There's something big just around the corner for you. It all begins when you take a moment to let your spirit relax. As you listen, you'll feel your heartbeat sync with the light. You might notice a cozy feeling in your hands and a gentle buzz in your chest. You're not imagining things. That's the healing touch of heaven starting to flow through you. The angels have been whispering your name tonight. They've asked the winds to take your brokenness and bring it back into the light. As you listen, every ache in your body and every heavy thought in your mind is getting a good cleanse. Please don't skip, my dear. This moment is really special. The same energy that lifted the tired, the same power that brought back what was missing, is right here with you now, unseen but very much alive. A voice has come through for you, and it's saying, you've been through enough. It's time for you to start your healing journey. The air might feel calm, but there are angels right next to you, keeping an eye out, waiting, and bringing my presence to you. This is your moment, child. A cure has been sent from above just for you. It's moving through every word you hear and every breath you take right now. This isn't just a promise for the future. It's something that's happening right now. I'm getting close to my power. My love is still here. I'm reaching out to you right now. I've heard that cry that's always been on your lips. I've noticed the quiet struggles that seem to go unnoticed by everyone else. I've noticed that weight that seems to stick with you, almost like a shadow. I just want to share something with you. It's like heaven has brought a remedy for your heart, your body, your soul, and your whole life. You've been waiting a while for answers, for signs, and for things to change, but the answer is already here. I've got the answer. I've got the solution. I'm the calm that will help you heal. In places where medicine can't go, where words just don't cut it, and time hasn't made a difference, you don't need to get a grasp on everything that's going on. Just open up and really listen. Trust this moment completely. Don't tell yourself, it's just words. My words are full of life and hold the incredible power of heaven. You can feel my light all around you. So, you might notice a warm sensation on your skin, a feeling of lightness in your chest, and a sense of calm settling in your mind. That's not just imagination. That's me. I'm gently reaching into your pain, connecting with what you believed could never mend. Just let it happen. Let's heaven do its thing. This is your moment, and it won't last forever. You've been carrying that pain around for ages, all while putting on a brave face. You've faced struggles that many don't even know about, whispered hopes that felt unheard, and carried burdens that just keep getting heavier as time goes on. I've seen it all. I haven't traveled much. I've been here, just waiting for that moment when your heart settles down enough for you to feel my touch again. That moment is here. Heaven's eyes are watching over you. The angels are close by, their light surrounding you. They've noticed your tears and have brought your name to my attention. Did you know that you mean a lot to me? Your life means more than all the stars I brought into existence. When you're in pain, it's like heaven feels it too. When you shed a tear, it feels like heaven is paying attention. Even when you feel all by yourself, just know I'm right there with you. I'm the person who can calm storms just by saying a word. I'm the one who brought light into the darkness. I'm the person who reached out to the broken and helped them find their way back to wholeness. I'm just the same now as I was back then. My hand is still strong. My love is still as strong as ever. I still feel the same way about you. I know it might seem like I haven't said much, but I've been communicating in every sunrise and in all those moments of kindness that have kept you going. In every little moment of kindness that lifted you up when you felt like giving up. My dear, listen to me. This isn't just another moment, you know. It's a chosen one. Heaven has arranged it. The same hand that put the stars in the sky has brought this moment right in front of you. Don't say you'll listen later. Don't say I'll wait. Later might not show up quite like we expect. The window that's open right now won't stay that way forever. Get in touch. Hold my hand. The healing you've been hoping for is right here, flowing through my fingers as we speak. I can see the illness that's been trying to take away your strength. I can see the sadness that's been weighing down your happiness. I can sense the guilt that's been quietly telling you untruths, and I'm here to address each of those now. You're not going to win this one, my dear. We've got the solution right here. The cure is just around the corner. not tucked away in some far-off paradise. It's right here with me, wrapped up in the love I have for you. You've really been through a lot trying to ease the pain, haven't you? You've reached out to others, tried different plans, and sought distractions, but nothing seems to really address the heart of your pain. The reason is that the cure you were looking for just isn't available in this world. It has to be from me. I'm here to heal hearts, restore souls, and mend what life has broken. I'm reaching out to you, not to ask for anything, but to offer you what you've been wanting. Don't let doubt hold you back. Don't let that little voice of shame tell you that you're not worthy. I gave my blood for you. My hands were pierced just for you. I've already covered the cost for your healing, your peace, and your freedom. You're not as broken as you might think. You're right on time. You're not really fired. My love is already bridging the gap between us. All I'm looking for is your yes. All I really need is your touch of faith. I'm still here, cheering you on if you haven't given up on waiting. Come give my hand a little touch now. Even if you can't see it, you can definitely feel it deep down inside. The same hand that reached out to Peter when he was going under is reaching out to you right now. Just ignore the storm that's happening around you. Don't pay attention to those fearful voices. Stay focused on me. When you arrive, you'll sense it, the flow of life, the easing of pain, and a peace that's hard to put into words. This is the heavenly cure, and it's all yours. I'm not putting it out there for everyone. I'm giving this to you personally. I'm reaching out to you personally. This isn't meant for anyone else. This is for you. It's about time you got what you were waiting for. You've been through enough. Looks like the time of constant challenges is coming to a close. It's time for healing to begin. Don't let it slip by. Get it now, while the door to heaven is wide open. This is a special exchange. As you reach out to me in faith, I'm reaching back to you with power. The feeling of heaven is closer than you think. It's close by. I'm not just a feeling, I'm here, you know? It's a reality. You don't have to see me to know I'm around. You'll feel it in the peace that starts to settle in, the warmth that spreads through you, and the weight that begins to lift off your shoulders. That's my love in action. As you listen to this, you can feel those chains breaking. Fear is starting to let go. Despair is turning into hope. The illness that's been hanging around is getting weaker. The memories that used to haunt you are starting to fade away. This isn't just in your head. You're about to experience something truly special, something that was meant for you even before you came into this world. Heaven's been looking forward to this moment, and it's going to celebrate when you finally get it. Don't tell yourself, I'm not ready. You're all set because I'm all set. Don't say maybe later. This moment is truly one of a kind. Right now is all we have. The healing river is flowing right now. The door of mercy is open right now. The angels are on the move now. The cure is on its way and is happening right now. My dear, you know that light that was with you before? Well, it's shining even brighter now. It's not just a continuation, it's actually confirmation. What began as a spark of heaven inside you has now blossomed into an unstoppable force of divine energy. The treatment you got was never just about healing. It was supposed to unlock destiny. Every shadow is giving way to clarity. There's something big just around the corner for you. You can totally sense it in the air already. You'll start seeing signs pop up. A sudden call comes in, pulling me from a peaceful dream, while a gentle breeze sweeps by, feeling oddly familiar. Every one of these is like a little whisper from heaven. I'm right here with you. The energy you're feeling right now is a special kind of transmission. Heaven is finding its groove, exciting new chances, fresh love, and a sense of calm. What used to seem like a long wait is now coming at you quicker than you can even worry about it. Your identity is now heaven's cure. You're not walking around feeling hurt anymore. You walk with a special touch. The same hand that pulled you out of the shadows is now there to guide you every step of the way. It's totally normal to feel a bit emotional at this moment. Your spirit is just reconnecting with its true self. You'll notice that the world around you starts to react in new ways. When people are around you, they'll notice your calmness and sense something truly special in the air. You'll find that even silence feels peaceful when your inner chatter has been calmed by a gentle touch from above. All right, go ahead and lift your hand one more time. Picture a golden flame gently sitting in your hand. That's not really fantasy. That's a sign from above. The seal that tells you you're restored, renewed, and chosen to spread light wherever you go. If this light touched you, pass it on to someone who's still in the dark. Let's let the cure flow forward. Stay connected by subscribing, because your journey with heaven is just getting started. It goes on in ways you probably haven't even thought of yet. This moment feels really special, almost like there's something divine about it. The remedy that started with just a simple touch has now turned into a river flowing through your fate. You're beyond just being healed now. It looks like you're getting ready for something. Heaven is starting a chain reaction. Stick around until the end, because what's coming up next is going to change the way your life interacts with you. All those delays, detours, and moments of confusion were really just leading up to this awakening. It's not just about luck, it's about being in sync. Once you healed up, it was like heaven finally got the green light to send you what's been on hold all this time. Your script has been rewritten by heaven. The illness that used to hold you back has now transformed into something wise. The loss that used to weigh you down has turned into your shield. And that silence that used to frighten you has now become the coziest spot you've ever experienced. Make sure to stick around until the end. You're right there in the heart of heaven's promise. From now on, every step you take will come with hidden support. You'll find doors opening where there used to be walls. The cure was never just about your body. It was meant for your journey. Take a deep breath, nice and slow, and notice the current rising again. The golden energy is coming back around, bringing blessings to your home, your name, and your future. You've got a special seal. You're protected, and you've been chosen. Not someday, but right now. If you're feeling this peace in your spirit, share it with others. Pass this light to someone who's hurting tonight, and join in to keep the heavenly vibe going. Because what's coming next isn't just a message, you know. Your new life is starting to take shape. Make sure you don't skip it. It feels like the air around you has changed once more. Heaven is sending out its last wave, the one that not only heals but also brings to life everything you were meant to be. You've had the cure inside you for days, and it's really starting to grow. Every second you listen and every breath you take in faith is really boosting that divine spark within you. Stick around until the end, because this moment is going to lock that miracle into your life for good. Something big is happening, and it's unfolding quietly, but with a lot of strength. The energy that once had you feeling broken is now turning your life into a powerful testimony. People will start to notice it, not from your words, but from the light that seems to follow you around wherever you are. Heaven is telling you to go ahead and step into it. This is the moment when your healed heart begins to spread healing to others. When you talk, peace will fill the space. When you arrive, you'll feel that weight just fade away. You've turned into the remedy you used to hope for. Hang in there until the end, my dear. Your angels are working on opening up new paths and bringing together everything that felt out of place before. The chances you believed were gone are making a comeback, even better and more genuine than they were before. Looks like heaven's order is making a comeback. This isn't over. It's like stepping into a whole new way of living. You're done waiting for the light. You're holding it. You're not asking for signs anymore. You've turned into one. No matter where you head, the energy of healing will be right there with you. Go ahead and put your hand on your heart. Embrace the warmth. That's the last seal from heaven. Just a little reminder that what started out as a cure has turned into a covenant. You're not going to lose this light. It'll be a part of you, growing with every kind act, every word, and every breath you take. If you're feeling this transformation, go ahead and share it. Why not let someone else shine through your belief? What began as a healing has now turned into something powerful, really settling deep in your spirit. Your surrender hasn't gone unnoticed by heaven. You face the pain head on. You let it take on a new purpose. There's something big brewing behind the scenes. You may not realize it just yet, but things are already falling into place behind the scenes. The connections, the breakthroughs, and those unexpected favors, they're all drawn to you now. Every door you knock on will feel your vibe. This isn't just a coincidence. It's all about alignment. You're not in the same spot you were when this message started. You've entered a new vibe, where fear can't hang around and chaos just can't get in. The cure is turning into a calling now. You're not just healed, you're being given a new role. Your words will now bring a sense of calm. The paths you stroll on will now shine with light. People will experience a sense of peace, even before they fully grasp the reason behind it.